Hi everyone, I'm Zuja, and I'll be showing you around the CL and Rachel Werner Health Sciences Education Building. Let's go. Located on the west end of campus, the 145,000 square foot Werner Center is one of our newest buildings on campus, where health sciences students come for classes and hands-on learning. In the classrooms, you'll find future doctors, nurses, paramedics, pharmacists, occupational therapists, physical therapists, and physician's assistants, all learning side by side. The Werner Center has over 30 spaces for interdisciplinary collaboration, including 2 assessment and skills labs, a task training lab, 10 acute care rooms, a simulated operating room, and a simulated apartment. The virtual reality rooms and high-tech equipment ensure all students are prepared to soar in their careers as exceptional healthcare leaders. In the Werner Center, there are so many great study spots on all the floors. My personal favorite is the FNBO Bridge, with awesome views and comfy chairs. Thanks for joining me in the CL and Rachel Werner Center today. Be sure to check out all the other spots on campus.